In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add board membership to your LinkedIn profile. Whether you are a seasoned professional or just stepping into the networking realm, showcasing your board memberships can significantly enhance your professional presence on LinkedIn. Let us start by accessing your LinkedIn profile. First, open the LinkedIn website or app and ensure that you are logged into your account. Once logged in, you will be taken to your personalized homepage. From there, you want to navigate to your profile by clicking on your profile picture or your name, usually located at the top of the page. Once your profile is open, find the section titled Experience, as this is where you will add details about your board memberships. Look for the Add Profile section button. It is often situated at the top right of your profile, just beneath the header photo. Click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear, offering a selection of categories to enhance your profile. Among these options, choose Background, and within that category select Experience. This step is crucial because board memberships fall under your professional experiences and contribute to showcasing your leadership roles. After selecting Experience, a new window will open up. This is where you will input the specifics of your board membership. Start by entering the position title in the appropriate field. It is a good idea to clearly state the role, such as board member or advisory board member, depending on your responsibilities. Next, input the name of the organization. Doing this accurately helps others who might be familiar with the organization recognize its credibility and your involvement. If the organization has a LinkedIn page, you can link to it by selecting it from the drop-down menu that appears as you type. This is an additional step that enriches your profile by associating it with the organizations that hold standing in your field. Following that, fill out the location where the organization is based. This detail is particularly helpful if the board membership involves active participation that may require you to be physically present at events or meetings. After filling the basic information, move on to the time period section. Here, you need to enter the start date of your board membership. If you are still actively serving on the board, make sure to check the box that indicates "I currently work here." This establishes an ongoing role and showcases your continuing contributions. Now, let us make your board membership stand out. In the description box, highlight your key responsibilities and achievements during your tenure. This is your chance to illustrate the impact of your work and the skills you have sharpened. Detailing your contributions not only gives you credibility, but also allows potential connections to grasp your expertise and commitment. Once you have completed all the necessary fields, double-check your entries for accuracy. After reviewing, click Save. Congratulations, your board membership should now be visible on your LinkedIn profile, enhancing your professional narrative and potentially opening up new opportunities within your network.